Today is Sanskriti 615th video and I'm Lalia. I'll be showing you today's designer partywear collection. The festive season is here and we'll be displaying all new collection of our handcrafted saris. The first sari is an amazing corn color crushed tissue with a Kanchipuram border. What I mean to say by Kanchipuram or Kanchivaram border is that these kind of zari borders are usually seen in Kanchivaram saris. So that kind of borders, as I say, I always try to do fusion. One state product weaving in another state, that similar concept, fusion, amalgamation of two states. And so this is the similar type, beautiful, rich, heavy zari border done in pure crushed tissue. The color is a lovely shade of corn color, lovely yellow shade. It's beautiful, the color, very unique. And since these are pure crushed tissues, the fall will be excellent. With these, we are providing these lovely chinon zari embroidered with sequins highlighted work blouse. The color of the sari and the blouse will be slightly different to bring out the richness in the border, because this fabric has been used in the border to do the work. So this is the lovely concept of a crushed tissue with Kanjivaram border and embroidered par. So it's beautiful, and especially the color, lovely for bridal haldi collection or anything for the party season, for cocktail wear. Very, very pretty sari, and just close up, see the richness of the zari. It's directly woven, it is not attached. So it's beautiful, the crushed tissue. Very, very nice. I have many color options in this, but I'll show you few today. So this is a champagne color, a lovely champagne color. Crushed tissue with Kanjivaram border. The additional attached border is in rich red, deep red, or you can say maroonish. Prices mentioned. Very, very beautiful, smart look, yet traditional. See the color combination. So for Ashtami Raat or for any party wear in the evening, you can wear these lovely traditional combination, traditional look, yet very contemporary. This is beautiful. And see the reverse side of the sari. The reverse is lovely hand woven crushed tissue, very, very pretty, and our finishing, by now you know how beautiful we give our finishes. All the colors are very unique metallic shades, except for the corn color. These are lovely metallic shades. This is a cement color, coffee cement color. Again, a very, very, these are for evening wears. Don't wear them in the afternoon. Yellow, you can wear it in the afternoon, because we've kept that in the haldi, section, that it looks very pretty to wear it for haldi also. But this particular and the champagne color is particularly for the evening wear. And look at the blouse. The blouse, of course, is in rich black. So even for summer cocktail wear or evening wear, party wear rather. So nowadays people love to wear saris, these kind of, now we've come up with such varied fabrics which are so rich, and young girls have also started wearing these kind of lovely saris for parties. So this is a very pretty lightweight crushed tissue Kanjivaram sari with black chinon embroidered blouse piece. This is the palla part. We don't have any additional side palla, except this palla border will end in the achol part. Number 3. Number 4. So hand woven tissues in Sona Rupa Buta. Excellent, and it's in rich gold. When the festive season is here, any kind of festival, so these kind of gold saris, they stand out so well, and these gold are, generation wise you can wear them. Grandmothers, teenagers, mothers, sisters, anybody, everybody will look so classy in this. Now in details I'll show you a bit about the weave. The weave is stripe horizontally woven with gold butta on the gold tissue weave. In between we have the silver buttas, and this is not silver, this is a resham woven satin border. This off-white border is looking so beautiful, and we've given some additional contrast tassels, which if you say we can open it, we have these without tassels also, but just a contrast tassel to give it a different look to the sari when you drape it. These are actually very stunning, and we have a lovely woven blouse piece with this. This is the checkered blouse piece. So you see the body is in stripe and the blouse is in checkered weave. This is superb. I would definitely like to show you the richness of the gold, and these are not the lightweight tissues. These are heavy count pure tissues. Just amazing. Our bestseller in tissue, Paithani, all over multicolored pastel shades, lovely Paithani weave in pure tissue, all over light gold weaving with a darker gold border. See the lovely pastel weaves and multicolors throughout the body. Lightweight, amazing saris with tassels. Our bestseller in tissue. Few are all new, so I don't know how it will do, but this is just beautiful. We know this is just to grab, you know, you have to grab this. This is lovely with the butta blouse. These are very, very pretty, lovely gold tissues. Nothing to say, the sari, the karigari, the weaving, it's excellent. Very smart. Now I'll show you some colored tissue. All the while I've been showing gold. Now I've come up with some colored tissue with jal weaving. The jal has Meena weave, and since tissues are so much in demand, everybody loves wearing tissue. It's lightweight, it has a very rich look, it has class, and these are new. So this jal weaving tissue, the color is a light coral color, beautiful shade, and it has a red selvage border. Prices, we've kept it very minimum with so much of lovely pure soft tissue. See the softness of the sari, and also the reverse. You can see from the back side it's totally woven. The reverse is beautiful. From the reverse you can understand how lovely the saris have been woven, and this is the blouse piece. Butta blouse, jal weaving in the body, and here is the pallu with the tassel. Very sober, lightweight sari in amazing coral, orangish red tomato, light tomato, beautiful shade. The shade, you will love it, and the colors used in the Meena is so pretty, very sober. Now another one I have with the Paithani border. So variety of tissues for you today in new shades added. This is a smoky lavender color. है ना सुंदर, कितना सुंदर है. The beauty of the sari lies in the border color, of course, but the border is Paithani multicolored woven border, and the body is in jal weave. Body में मीना नहीं है, border में मीना है. पिछले में the border was plain and the body was with meena. This is the reverse, and it's so beautiful, the color. These colors are so rare, and here is the blouse piece. These are very good quality tissues, so you can make the blouses from these, and but give good lining and अच्छी तरह उसको interlock कीजिएगा. टेलर को बोलिएगा अच्छी तरह उसको फिक्स करे end, और थोड़ा सा लूज, मतलब मतलब थोड़ा सा ना आप इसको लूज बनाइए, क्योंकि अगर बहुत टाइट हो जाएगा तो ये फंस सकता है, क्योंकि टिश्यू, यू नो, जितना गुड क्वालिटी दो टिश्यू में थोड़ा सा टाइट होने से ये थोड़ा सा कपड़ा स्प्रेड हो जाता है. बट I've made myself, I've been wearing my tissue blouse for 2 years, but I've made it a bit loose. So you can do that also. Just a suggestion. Tissues with attached border. This is crushed tissue in a green shade. Crushed tissue in a green shade with Upara attached border. Very pretty. We've done this palla and the border. This is woven border and it has been a handloom border. The border is woven and attached on the sari. Very, very pretty look. And this is the color. The color is so attractive. And we have this lovely blouse piece to go with this. These are fresh shades, fresh colors that we've come up for the pujo. Once again, close up. Crushed tissue, leaf green color with hand woven border. More in these tissues. This is not a crush one. This is a plain tissue in an aqua color. The color combination is excellent with the purple border. Just temple hand woven pure silk. These are pure Katan borders where we've attached in the tissue. सिर्फ पट्टी है इसमें, बहुत सुंदर टेम्पल, very elegant. Those who like plain type sarees, simple rich border, हल्का साड़ी हो, आप कहीं पे रिच, कहीं पे पार्टी वेयर में या इवनिंग में, वेडिंग में पहनकर जाओ. These combinations, nice sarees, lightweight and beautiful look. Aqua color, the color combination is so unique, है ना? अच्छा लगे तो थोड़ा सा शेयर कीजिएगा, कैसा लगा कमेंट कीजिएगा. I'll reply all your messages. Check out our Instagram page. You will love our Instagram page. We've been doing a lot of reels recently and uploading new stock, new collection. The Ajrak blouse collection is super hit. Ajrak blouse collection, ready-made blouse collection. So check out these in the Insta page, our reels in Facebook, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page where we do live videos. Now what about this? This is so classy. This is so different. Crushed tissue in silver. Crushed tissue in silver with this also, if you see closely, this is a hand woven resham border. This has a weave. Border is, and it has been attached on silver crushed tissue. It's very smart, simple crushed tissue with just border, and we have a stunning blouse to go with this. This is just so hot. You know, you can style it in a very different way. These थोड़ा सा different करके style कीजिए. इसका blouse बहुत smart करके बनाइए. This, we have the tailoring unit also. If you want the blouses to be stitched, we'll connect you to the tailoring department. For booking, just take the screenshot. सबका price clearly mentioned है. I'm telling you the color in case you can't understand, because in every device the color may थोड़ा सा differ करेगा mobile to mobile. So I'm telling you all the colors. This is a silver color with a royal blue border and a royal blue silk blouse. Take the screenshot, WhatsApp only, kindly WhatsApp to only one number, not multiple numbers. 76030429696 is the WhatsApp number. And when you are getting a confirmation from that number, don't send the payment details to the other number. It's a request. So please, when you are getting the confirmation, send the payment details to only that number where you've got the confirmation. Otherwise, there's because we have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and 12 Jamin Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, 2 branches in Kolkata. Sundays close, but from August 11th, we will be opening every day till the Durga Puja. A very soft tissue chinon. Crepe tissue with handwork border. Color is a light peach color, beautiful shade, soft peach color. Handwork. See the reverse part. It's totally handwork, you can understand from the threads. Corner butta is also handwork, I mean the lower border. Palla mein jo lower border hai, pura hi haath ka kaam hai. And the blouse piece is all work. Cash on delivery options we provide only for Kolkata residents. Extra charges are applicable for cash on delivery. Tailoring unit, the menswear section, tailoring unit is there in both the branches, but the menswear section and the jewelry section only in the Cornfield Road branch. A pista with a jacquard weave. See, this is also handwork. Now every sari fabric is so different. This is again, see the reverse side. It's so neat, but it's tissue woven. Zari woven all over, very lightweight, soft, flowy fabric jacquard. The reverse also has been done with the fall for finishing. Here comes the blouse piece to go with it. Sleek narrow border, so those who like narrow border. Moti hai border mein. Very nice, pretty piece. The color is very, very beautiful. Very pretty color. Soft pista. Okay, I have this tissue crepe in a light pink color. You can say it's a Sharbat pink. Mauvish pink, very pretty, lovely shade. Handwork. Again the reverse, you can see the finishing. See the work closely, कितना सुंदर गोटा के साथ मोती का डिटेलिंग है. और है इसका ब्लाउज. Pinkish mauve color, very pretty shade, very unique shade. जो थोड़ा हटके कलर्स पहनना चाहते हो तो ये वाला बहुत सुंदर. इसका सभी कलर पैस्टल्स दिया है क्योंकि ये नैरो बॉर्डर जो है ना, ये बहुत एलिगेंट लगेगा. Young girls will also look so pretty, and these are very lightweight, soft sarees. Now tassels again. Jhalar is now also doing very well. So you've seen many Bollywood now going with these kind of lovely tassels border. And these are not the stiff tassels. These are see all very pretty coin डॉलर से एकदम डॉलर टाइप का वीविंग करके ये लेस और ये अटैचमेंट हुआ है. Nice sari tissue and the color is a burgundy color. Soft pure tissue. Self stripe. So ये सब थोड़ा सा हम लोग चेंजेस करते. देखिए कितना सुंदर इसका फॉल है. कॉफी burgundy color and it comes with this blouse piece. Gold antique sequence all gold blouse. ये एकदम पार्टी वेयर स्टाइल का है. आप स्लीवलेस बनाइए या इसको थोड़ा halter neck का ब्लाउज बनाइए. वेरी वेरी स्मार्ट प्रिटी कॉन्सेप्ट. एंड दिस ब्लाउज यू कैन वेयर इट विद many sarees. And see the saree, such beautiful fall. Color is excellent. This is a super soft pure crushed tissue. Very fine weave. It's awesome. Especially the karigari of the border. Kashida handwork border. ये सब pure मल और ये कटदाना मल और ये सब का कारीगर. Very very rare, very good experienced कारीगरी ऐसा इतना सुंदर काम कर सकता है. बहुत ही सुंदर है. I have a similar piece which I had worn in 586th video. Very very beautiful. The reverse, you can see the finishing. As I say, Sanskriti always makes sure that we give the best of finish in any range product, not only the higher range. Even for the basic range, we give the best of finishing possible. The color is superb. The sari is lovely, lightweight, all over handwork border, and this border is to keep for good. I mean, it's even in future, just cut out the border and attach it in another sari. Just ऐसे करके border attach करके दूसरा साड़ी में लगाइए. मतलब don't waste this border. And the blouse piece will be full work blouse. Sari is just out of the world. Wherever I've worn this sari, I've worn it for recent wedding also. It's just amazing. People really drool over the work. Another super new concept sari, borderless. Those who like borderless, yet it will be fancy and attractive. This green tone, algae green, mehendi color, and again, look at the work. Kind of dollar butta, amazing rich big butta embroidery. Because of the big butta, we've kept the border no border actually. Tassels, desi tussar with amazing handwork and buttas, just superb. Now let me just show the blouse and then I'll show in details this is the blouse piece. The blouse piece is again all over butta work. Actually, this is where the sari will come. New concept for the puja. So every time from now onwards, you'll be noticing naya fabrics, naya concept, naya styles, all introducing. We are showing for the puja. Here is the sari. I mean, the work is unique. The reverse, you can see it's totally handwork. Color. I love this. The blue tone of the similar sari. Sari is so ornated. Sari lovers, notice this. Superb. If you want to mix match men's wear kurtas, dhotis, we have the options of video call. Very pretty. We can take pre-orders of these because these are an in-house production. We can take pre-orders. We can make in black also, but you have to give us time. Handwork, so at least 45 days time or more. Number 19, coffee. And the coffee color is not that, dull coffee. It's a very rich coffee. Chinon lovers with soft chinon with rhinestone throughout the sari, piping finishing, color black and antique silver rhinestone throughout the sari. Again, an evening wear sari. Those who like the blacks, and the blouse piece will be border, will have the border. Black on black, तो उसमें कुछ बोलना ही नहीं है, सबको पसंद है. It's very much in demand, and now we have this jet black satin, silk satin with handwork. See, when I'm doing a बहुत झकास border, जिसमें बहुत highlight हो, बहुत sheen हो, shine हो, handwork, तो I like it narrow. इसी इतना चौड़ा चौड़ा border look ही अलग होगा. इसमें ये जो नैरो बॉर्डर है, इसमें जो क्लास है, और ब्लाउज भी आप हैवी पहनिए तो बहुत ही सुंदर है साड़ी। I don't actually, honestly speaking, I can take a lot of sarees pre-order, but what people are paying, let me see the price of this. People are paying 15,000, 14,900 for this saree. I want it to be little unique. So taking pre-orders and, maybe my business will be, it's good for my business, but it's from my passion that I do, and I would prefer keeping things a bit unique and uncommon. Now see, कहाँ मिलेगा इस टाइप का इतना अलग किस्म का अजरक प्रिंटिंग, दिस कलर अजरक प्रिंटिंग इन प्योर टसर. Tussar has a very fine zari check weave. Tussar itself is very pretty, and look at the Meena sequence border work direct stitched on the sari. हजारों व्यूअर्स देखते हैं. आई कैन टेक एटलीस्ट एक साड़ी का मेरा 50 to 55 बुकिंग्स आता है, एक साथ ही नहीं, एक दो दिन में नहीं, ओवर मे बी व्हेन आई रिलीज द वीडियो 3-4 वीक्स में बहुत बुकिंग्स आता है, इंक्वायरी होते हैं. आई टेल सोल इट्स नॉट दैट आई कैन नॉट टेक द ऑल, किसी में, नॉट ऑल ऑफ कोर्स, हैंडवर्क में ज्यादा टाइम होते, काथा में नहीं होता है, बट many sarees I can take pre-orders. But again, let me tell you, it's for your good that I want it to be unique. बहुत सारा sarees हम आपको दिखाएंगे, बहुत नया वैरायटी हम आपको दिखाएंगे, तो यूनिकनेस होना चाहिए. Lovely ajrak, color in shades of purple with Meena border, reverse you can see, and again super soft. Okay, sorry. ब्लू तो आपने बहुत ही देखा होगा, लेकिन ये ब्लू कितना सुंदर है. Again ajrak printed tussar with work in the par. $29 years almost completed. So to keep up space and in the long run, I think going slow is the best advice I can give to newcomers. So rat race, run, too much competition, no. Just concentrate on your work. You know what, and have confidence on yourself. See this lovely metallic crush, lovely metallic crush onyx. This fabric it's kind nowadays, now party wear is so much in now. People have again started wearing a lot of sarees, young girls, teenagers, so the new fancy fabrics are being woven regularly. So this is an onyx crush fabric. It's soft. It's रेंज भी थोड़ा सा कम होता है, क्योंकि इसमें लुक बहुत अच्छा है. इसमें 100% सिल्क नहीं है, लेकिन इसमें लुक और फील, कंफर्ट एकदम बहुत ही सुंदर है. So we can do a lot of work keeping the budget in mind. And now we have the Pittan Zari with applique. Why I'm saying applique, you can see. Can you see pista work has been pista applique and pink applique. So on this fuchsia fabric, we have the strawberry pink and pista applique in this saree. See, total different look आ गया, और साड़ी में softness भी है, इतना rich look भी है, और इसके साथ है ये blouse piece. So traditional sarees तो है ही, उसके साथ साथ बहुत सारा नया फैब्रिक में हम लोग इस टाइप का काम कर रहे हैं। आप जो नया नया होता है, आई ट्राई टू डिस्प्ले इन यूट्यूब और इन रील्स और इन इंस्टाग्राम और इन फेसबुक. So I'm working in all my social medias. So and keep I need all your support like you've always done throughout the years. This is so pretty, this color, and I have a nice earthy shade in this also. Fudge color. See, these colors are very unique, very rare, and little Bollywood inspired, of course. कैसे लग रहे थोड़ा कमेंट कीजिएगा। और हमारा फेसबुक लाइव होता है, संस्कृति कोलकाता फेसबुक पेज, so join us in our live videos for budget friendly sarees. Even in the Jamir Lane branch we have a new collection of budget friendly sarees specially to gift during the Durga Puja, Pujo and any other occasions, not only Durga Puja. There are so many festivals coming up, so for birthdays, anniversaries. So if you have a budget, you can try out the Jamir Lane branch also. The third color is this blue, midnight blue, and see, from here you can understand the richness of the work. Here goes the applique. And super light. The best part of this is that super lightweight. भारी साड़ी तो मुझे खुद भी I feel very uncomfortable, and for a long, those who are new also can't carry much sarees, they will also be able to wear them for a long time. Next, I'll show you some nice ready-made blouse sari. Those who don't have time for making the blouses, this is a very pretty mirror work milk white blouse, hand work bordered in the borders, front and back full embroidery with cups. Back you have the opening, so side can be increased from 34 to 42. And the sari is in a pure satin with only this hot pink border. So sari ekdam plain hai with this mirror work blouse. So just superb. Just imagine a sari milk white with a hot pink border and such gorgeous mirror work ready-made blouse. Front and back you go here. Very, very smart piece. Superb sari. So lovely tissues and party wear saris today, and here you go, another tissue kota, pure with wine color. The work is combination is to drool for. Reverse, finishing, border. Now see the broad border work closely. Color is a dusty lavender, dusty light, smoky lilac color. Again very soft, beautiful tissue. ठीक है? Now wait for the blouse. बहुत सुंदर है. Actually, while I'm showing, I feel like wearing myself only. Another crushed tissue with dollar buta and a woven handwork blouse. See, the blouse is V-neck, gota patti work. This is a woven piece. Color is a lovely shade of pista in dual tone, gold and pista, very very pretty. All over will have this dollar butta handwork. ये जो वर्क है ये बहुत सारा मतलब बहुत क्लोज थ्रू आउट द साड़ी में आएगा विथ मोती. इसमें अलग से कोई बॉर्डर नहीं है लेकिन पूरा साड़ी में सेम काम है. All over same type work. These are ready-made blouses with this work in the back, and this will be the little opening. Side zip. Sizes 34, 36, 38 till 40 only. Tassels और ये वाला देखिए, very very smart साड़ी, very pretty साड़ी. Again the reverse of the work. This is the finishing, and this is the butta. Very unique, and once again I'll show you the style. कितना सुंदर है. Pastel, lovely lovely work. And lastly, the color option of my sari, this mustard yellow. This is again a tissue Kanjivaram sari with work done all over. Multicolored tassels, number 30. But this is not the original Kanjivaram, I mean that it's Kanjivaram inspired and woven in south only. Beautiful and yet so light and flowy fabric. Iska blouse piece is running. And my sari similar to the mustard one. This is so beautiful, and this color is a fuchsia color with red work all over. Comes with the running blouse piece. The blouse piece, I'll just show you the blouse piece. The blouse piece will be running. Price will be same as the mustard. 12,900, and this is the pair of bala. 4,500 is the pair. Screw system, you can adjust. And this lovely choker, 5,900, 200. 5,200 is the choker with this so pretty earring. Very pretty, square shaped with pearl outline, very pretty. Beautiful earring. 5,200, 4,500 is the pair. Sari is 12,900. And lastly, the two very, very pretty tissue organza. Full moti work in the sari. This is milk white and the other is jet black. Full moti work, reverse. Full moti work in the sari. And so is the blouse. Blouse piece. Back, front, yoke, all sleeves, sab mein kaam hai, haath ka kaam hai, full hand work. And this metallic tissue black. Wow. $16,900 for both. 16,900. Total handwork. It's not that transparent. Of course, organza will be transparent, but not very see-through. Blouse piece. Okay. So it's beautiful. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Namaskar.